Imagine this: you're in a meeting, your phone buzzes, you glance at it, then again, and again. By the end of the day, you've checked your phone over 100 times. You're not alone. This is the new normal for millions of people worldwide, and it's quietly rewiring our brains in ways we're only beginning to understand. Smartphones aren't just tools, they're powerful forces shaping how we think, feel, and connect. Every swipe, every notification, every scroll is a tiny interaction that adds up to a profound transformation in human cognition. Scientists are now uncovering how these devices are altering our attention spans, emotional regulation, and even our ability to remember. Let's start with attention. Your brain is designed to focus deeply, but constant interruptions from notifications fragment that focus. A 2019 study found students who used their phones during lectures scored 20% lower on tests than those who kept their phones away. It's not just about distraction, it's about how the brain adapts. Over time, the ability to sustain focus weakens, and deep work becomes harder. Then there's dopamine. Every like, message, or scroll triggers a tiny hit of this feel-good chemical, similar to what happens in gambling or drug addiction. A 2017 study from the University of California found smartphone use correlates with reduced gray matter in the anterior cingulate cortex, a part of the brain tied to decision-making and emotional control. The more we chase that instant gratification, the more our brains rewire to prioritize quick rewards over thoughtful reflection. But the effects go deeper. Sleep is another casualty. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Teens who spend over 3 hours daily on social media are 35% more likely to report anxiety and depression, according to the American Psychological Association. And it's not just about mood, it's about how the brain functions. Poor sleep weakens memory, focus, and emotional resilience, creating a cycle that's hard to break. Social media also changes how we relate to others. Constant comparison, validation seeking, and the fear of missing out can erode empathy and increase anxiety. A Norwegian school system's 2018 phone-free initiative saw a 30% boost in student focus and a 25% drop in stress within 6 months. It's a reminder that our brains are plastic, they can adapt, but not always in ways we want. Even our memory is at risk. Relying on GPS weakens spatial navigation skills, and using digital tools for memory can reduce our ability to retain information long-term. It's as if we're outsourcing parts of our thinking to devices, leaving our brains less practiced at solving problems on their own. So what's the takeaway? Our brains are not passive victims, they're constantly adapting. But the question is, are we adapting wisely? The most important insight here is this: technology isn't the enemy. It's how we use it that shapes our minds. The real challenge isn't avoiding smartphones, it's learning to use them in ways that enhance, rather than erode, our cognitive and emotional well-being. The next time you reach for your phone, ask yourself, is this helping me think deeper, connect more meaningfully, or sleep better? Because the choices we make today are quietly rewriting the future of our minds,